Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove wrinkles in your face using the FaceApp in 2026. Do you want a younger, smoother look in your photos? FaceApp can reduce wrinkles instantly. So let's see how by following these few simple steps. But before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download and install the application to FaceApp. It's very simple, you just head to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. Then you're gonna type in the FaceApp, Face Editor, Perfect Face Editor in your search bar. Then you're gonna find this application developed by FaceApp Technology Ltd. You're gonna make sure to click on the install and wait for the installation to be completed. Then you're gonna launch the app. Once you launch the app, you're gonna make sure to grant it access to your camera and gallery. Once you give it an access to your camera and gallery, you're gonna upload your images either by taking a new photo or uploading an already existing one. Once you do that, you're gonna go to the retouch section. You're gonna make sure choose here. You can choose the skin or like this here. Then you're gonna find a lot of options. There are the freckles, the smooth, the tan, no eye bags, unwrinkled, fresh, clear, glowing, bright, and matte. So you're gonna choose unwrinkled to take off the wrinkles. Then you're gonna smoothen tool. Then you're gonna apply it and adjust the intensity. Now the unwrinkled style requires a premium version, so if you want to use it, you're gonna have to pay for the premium features. And after that, you're gonna be able to apply this filter. Then you're gonna adjust the intensity and save your edited images. Now removing wrinkles can fresh your looks instantly. So use FaceApp to keep it natural and clean. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.